Good morning, good morning. Day 2, the long commute into Belize. It was great. Gonna head out and get some coffee. Morning. Enjoying the day. It's about 80 degrees. Felt weird sleeping here. It's a different type of resort. It was like, I don't know how to explain it. Like kind of like White Lotus vibes, but you know, you gotta experience it for yourself to see for sure. Morning. Gonna show y'all the hotel when we come back. Couldn't show it to y'all last night because it was so dark, but it's so beautiful even at night. Waking up to all the animals chirping and cocking and everything is crazy. Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
How you doing?
Great, how are you?
All right. I just want regular coffee.
Sure. Americano's fine.
Huh?
An Americano?
Yeah, Americano is fine.
Sure. Go for cream and sugar?
For me, I like it sweet.
Sure. We have sugar right at the back.
Okay. And I need a large for me, or small.
We have one size.
All right, not a problem. I could charge it to the room, right? Okay. Watch it. We got to do it out there?
Yes.
Okay.
Like,
All right.
where the van is, the security book.
All right.
We have to
No problem. Why not, though? Why they don't let you do it here?
I don't know. The rules.
Their policy?
Yes.
Okay.
Policy.
No problem. Yeah, not a problem. I understand.
Basically, and you have the guy's contact number in case you want to WhatsApp that one.
Okay.
So you can forward us your driver license right here.
All right, so you want me to forward my driver's license to that number?
Yes.
Okay. What, 9 a.m.? Well, what time we gonna drop it off here, right? You're gonna pick it up from here? All right, so I'll meet you here at 9 a.m.? Yeah.
So, you can cannot be. You like to go front and then.
Yeah. Okay. All right. And as soon as I get back to the room, I'll
Just forward us your
Yeah.
driver license and then
no problem. And the send it to the number or something. At least 3/4.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you're dropping off the car, as I said, you park the car. Over here.
Okay.
And you lock it and you give the keys to the front desk.
All right.
There is security and this is some lock it. It's something that lock right over here. And a padlock.
Okay.
You just make sure you pass it to the both doors and you lock it.
Okay.
The keys are right over here. This is the keys for the padlock and this is the collector key for the padlock.
Okay.
So once you insert the key and you switch it, it's already on. You will hear no get back. Right over here, you got the key. When it's in the middle, that's the meter. You walk at the left side. This is the gas pedal. You just press it all the way down and the button.
So when I'm ready to start it, hit that and keep my foot on the brake.
No, right now it's you have to put on the key.
Okay.
But if you like you don't have to press it again. This is a movement.
Oh, that's like an emergency brake.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
That's for example, if you're on a key, you press right here and start it.
Yeah. And then it'll keep it simple.
Before fixing this thing, when you just press it all the way down.
Okay. All right.
On the driver's side, that's for forward. So once you press this pedal, the will start to move.
Okay.
On the passenger side,
Oh, okay, so that's like my gear.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
This is neutral. The golf cart will not start on neutral.
Okay.
Forward.
All right. So
And
driver's
reverse.
side, passenger side, reverse. All right, not a problem. And middle, neutral.
Yes.
Okay.
So the more you press it down, the faster it goes.
No problem. Just like a car.
Yes. And this is the switch for the light. You just
All right.
hold it down. Yes.
Okay.
And you can put some like stuff inside here.
Okay. All right.
That's basically all. In town, you cannot park in red lines. Or park
We can't park where?
in red lines. or
Red
park
lines?
signs, yes.
They marked in the street?
Yes. No,
Okay.
there are some red lines like in the edge of the street. You cannot park.
Oh, like on the curb?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And that's basically. I'll have any questions.
Pretty much you answered everything, all of them. You know, so we should be good. I get the hang of it, driving a regular car. So. All right. What's your name?
Hasta ahí.
Asali. All right. No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Shit.
We out.
It's that way our house, right?
No.
Oh?
No. That's where the stop sign.
I'm so cramped up in here. Shit. This is tight.
Try to get free red and dirty. All right, babe. So how was that?
Interesting. You know, got to get used to it. I'm so tall is that it's so hard. Like, you know, so it's like my foot is like, I'm so tall, my legs makes it hard. But somebody short, you'd be flying through with this. But for a 6-footer, not good. Man. But it's all right. It's all right.
So here I am here on my birthday, waiting for babe. He is finalizing some things that he needs to send the golf cart people. We just got our golf cart, so I'm excited about that. So we're gonna go roam the town now and be tourist and adventurous. We're probably gonna end up at Secret Beach today to spend my birthday there. I can't wait to show you guys and bring you along for our journey today. So this is day 2 in Belize, but officially first full day. And stay tuned. Bye. You don't have like individual?
She's going to get it.
Oh, okay. This is nice.
Should we get ice and fill up the cooler?
Can't they give that for us? Oh, you mean like...
Look, she got the 2 sizes. Okay, the bottom one we'll take. So they got basically everything you need here. If you want to Airbnb it.
Why?
Oh, you get the pineapple juice, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but we don't have something to open it with. We need something we can open. See, this, I'm not thinking about those.
We're gonna prepare our drink now.
Huh?
With no ice. Prepare our drink now with no ice.
Pina coco.
That's right there.
Hello everyone. So we decided today we're gonna go to Secret Beach. But before we go to Secret Beach, on the way we're gonna stop at, what was the name of the place?
Cool Beans. We're gonna try to grab something at Cool Beans.
Yeah, so we're gonna head out. It's like a 45-minute ride from what I hear. I already have it in the GPS. So it's 18 minutes to Cool Beans, and then I'll see what it is after Cool Beans. We'll give you our review right after we eat on Cool Beans.
Yes. Start of day one. Full day one.
Happy birthday! We gotta park it. We'll walk the rest. Yeah. Yo, you was like the star. It's the birthday girl going to Cool Beans. So we're gonna try out this place, Cool Beans. Eloise heard about it on TikTok. So let's see. Had you drunk before?
Did we just sit?
I don't know.
Chloe, please start walking. It's hard to carry the baby.
Yeah, top it off. We're going to Secret Beach. One tank is enough to go back and forth? Okay. All right. Belize? All right. What's 20 half of 23?
Half of 23?
11. 11.50, right? All right.
Like 12.
Here. Keep the change. All right. You too.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody.
and cool beans, so you'll see that footage. And we are, you know, doing the rest of the afternoon out here. Maybe we should have came a little bit earlier, but you know, we've been winging it, and I know it's gonna be a good time. And it's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye, y'all. See you in a bit.
Secret beach! Make that look. Shit. Shit.
Ay, ay, ay.
Look at this shit.
Let me take a picture of it, baby.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
So over here we got the jet skis. Here's what the rates go for. This is in USD, not Belizean. Just letting y'all know. My man right here, he'll work it out with you.
We're in Belize, right? Better Belize it.
My
guy.
So if you're in Belize, Secret Beach, come see my man.
Once you're watching, make sure you like and subscribe to my guys' channel, right?
Yeah.
The best YouTube out here.
Good looking.
Yeah.
All right, have a good one.
Same goes to you, my brother.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey.
Yeah, we here with Zachary at Blue Bayou. About to get us some drinks and some good food.
Seafood.
Yes, sir. All right.
Guys, we are live from Bayou, right?
Yeah, Blue Bayou, Secret Beach. We ordered some appetizers, some chicken empanadas. I've never seen
So good.
chicken empanadas so full of chicken.
You don't
It was
get
hardly
like that
any
in New York.
empanada. It was just mostly chicken, and they wrapped it in. It was so delicious. So far, I haven't had now one thing in Belize that did not taste good, and that I've never been on no vacation that's happened.
So we
Still got a couple of days left here, but I'm just saying, so far for these 2 days, I have not tasted anything that has not tasted good.
And so he got the chicken empanadas. I tried it. It was definitely delicious. It's not your like regular New York masa. It was like some other, I don't know, like very
But
authentic.
fresh though. It was like
Yeah, and then I had the best shrimp ceviche. Like I usually am skeptical about ordering like seafood at places, but I know that here in Belize, like they're very big on seafood. So like
I'm not even a seafood eater, and I've been eating seafood like crazy, and it's been so fresh.
and it was so delicious. It came with tortilla chips.
It tastes like they almost fished it out of the ocean yesterday or something. Like it's almost unheard of.
Yeah. So right now today is Thursday. There is no DJ here at Bayou. They told us that the DJ is here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah.
So we will be back. We have plans to come back on Sunday, nice and early, and spend the
Yes,
whole
because
day
the
here.
tables, they said that the locals and the tourists all party together on Sunday, so we're gonna come here early, grab a table, and see how it is. But definitely, Blue Bayou is definitely worth it. And try to see my man Zachary.
Yes. He holds it down. He's
Yeah,
been taking care of us.
Yes, definitely.
And even though there's no DJ here today, the spot right next to us has a DJ, it seems, and we're able to enjoy their music. Right here in Blue Bayou, it's a lot of Jamaican reggae, which we're not against at all. We love that, but the music next door is like totally overpowering the music here. So we will have our, we'll have some content for you when we come back, and we have a live DJ here at the spot. But right now, I'll try to show you real quick the right here next door to us. That is where they have a live DJ, and yeah, we're gonna finish our day off here, and we will be back.
Yeah, we got dinner.
And we want to go.
We're going to dinner at Hidden Treasure, right?
Yes, that's the plan.
Yeah,
My
tonight.
birthday dinner.
Birthday dinner at Hidden Treasure.
And you see over there, that is a swing. And hopefully we will make it there before we leave. I definitely want to get a picture on there, so, we'll be good. I'm not going to say wish me luck because the water is definitely...
Oh man, this water's...
And I'm not a swimmer, and just in case you wanted to know what's in here, we ordered tequila,
Pineapple juice
with Don Julio, but we also do always come prepared with, what was it with our own party favors. Remember the guy? We were offered that upon entering Secret Beach, not here. But yeah, so we'll check back with you and give you more updates. Bye.
Don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey. Don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me love so sweet like honey.
Hey everyone, we are leaving. We've been on the road already from Secret Beach, and let me just tell you, this has been like such a nice experience, and this trip has been different than any other trip that we've ever taken, and I'm glad that we are, documenting it and sharing with you guys.
I don't know if you guys can hear us because of the noise.
But we are in our little golf cart, and you can see our background. It's very very solitary. There are a few businesses along the way. There's a lot of upcoming construction. Like, I can only imagine what this is gonna look like in a few years because
Yeah, it's not gonna look like
everywhere something is being built, and tons of property being on sale for those entrepreneurs that want to build and make businesses out here. But this is gorgeous. This little scenic route back coming here as well. But now that the sun is going down, everything looks so much cuter. Like with their lights on. Look at how cute that is. Yay! And everyone's so friendly too. Like
yeah, that's definitely.
And so even though it's like a lonely
Nothing
route,
to be afraid of.
yeah, it's a lonely route if there's no other golf carts on the road. But there is cars like moving in front of us and back of us. Well, not in back of us right now. Oh no, yeah, there
And
goes
cell
somebody
service
else.
is pretty good. Like, it's really good out here. Your cell phone should work if you're with the major carriers.
Yeah, so we will let you know when we, we're about half an hour away still. The whole route back from Secret Beach is an hour for us. And we're like just taking our time, enjoying where we're not from. And loving it. So right now we are, we're still into day one, and right now Belize is getting 10 out of 10. Oh, 5 stars, 5 stars. All right, bye.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
So we're going to B-Day dinner
Yes.
tonight at where?
Hidden treasure.
Hidden Treasure. Eloise found the restaurant, so we're going to see how good the food is. But so far, Belize has not disappointed. So let's see. It's Belizean food?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Hopefully it's unbelievable.
Unbelievable. All right, so we'll let y'all know and give y'all a review after. Bye. Hey, it's like Latin American cuisine. Huh? All right, hold on 1 second. Can I just get a footage? Hi.
How are you?
We have a reservation for 8:30.
Alexander?
Yes.
Okay. So, we have a special table for you.
Can I have the name of the birthday person?
Eloise?
Happy birthday.
Louise?
Eloise.
Eloise. Okay, so you don't mind telling me the spelling? L-L-O-I-S-E? E-L-O-I-S-E. Okay, E-L.
L-O-I-S. Perfect.
Alright, if you don't mind giving me 1 minute, I'll be right
No problem. Take your time.
Just got the table ready. How was the vacation?
Oh, it tastes great.
It's our first day. We got it last night. Oh, nice. First time here in Belize? Yes. Oh, we will be back. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Oh, wonderful. In our pool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice.
Good gift, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Everybody loves their food, so we're very happy. You guys going snorkeling, diving?
On Saturday, we're going swimming with the sharks.
Oh, you're gonna love that.
Yeah, tomorrow we're going to Cape Cocker and spend the day over there.
Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah.
King Cocker, the split has the best food and drinks.
The split?
Yes.
Okay.
Split and swimming.
All right.
If you don't mind following me right now.
Right? Enjoy your
Thank you.
This is your first time dining? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that soul sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim me your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave.
Thank you.
I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet.
It was a good birthday?
Amazing.
It was bellissimo.
It was unbelievable for my birthday. Thanks to my friend from start to finish. It's been great. We are on our ride back to our hotel. We are definitely showing our age because I'm following this old man's footsteps because I'm not old yet. But we're gonna call it a night. It's just been such an eventful day, and tomorrow is gonna be another adventure, another the golf cart, and we'll keep you updated and posted on tomorrow's plan, right? Tomorrow's itinerary for us. So hope you enjoy our content. We're just trying to put people on to new things that we're experiencing. We love watching other people's content, so we wanted to do our little twist to it. And
Hoping we do the same thing for you.
yes, and makes you want to go to. Yeah, that would look like a cat to me.
That's a cat.
Yeah, if that cat comes after us.
Look, lizards.
All right, see